is an interesting one. Someone else who wants to leave the Gulf for whatever reason. So I'm based in Dubai, and I want to move to Portugal. Would my crypto earnings still be tax-free? Okay, obviously, well, we have a lot of clients in the Gulf area who are into crypto. I mean, it is a fantastic asset class. So it makes sense that a lot of people see great opportunity in that. And Portugal does come up as a jurisdiction which is crypto friendly. Obviously not as crypto friendly as Dubai. Probably no jurisdiction in the world is as crypto friendly as Dubai. But Portugal's tax regime, it's often misrepresented on when you look around online. If you go to our website, htj.tax, we have thousands of articles on international tax, all freely available. And we did a few as well as videos on crypto and Portugal. So you can have a look in terms of the details. But just speaking very generally, it is really tricky. So in principle, if it is that you invest as an individual into crypto, and you are probably not going to be classified as a trader, so you're an investor. And now the distinction between an investor and a trader, that's really, really gray. But let's say, generally speaking, you buy and you hold, and it's probably more of a long-term thing, and it's not something that you engage with on a daily basis. Then you could probably more easily be classified as an investor. And you're not investing using a company, right? You're doing it in your own name. So if that is the case, and I don't know your situation because you didn't give me that much info, but if that is your situation, then you'll be fine in Portugal, fine to the extent that they, whatever capital gains that you enjoy as a result of your crypto portfolio, it should not be subject to taxes in Portugal. However, if it is that you've invested using a structure, including a company, especially if you've done it using a UAE entity, or you are what can be qualified as a trader. I said it's a gray space, but let's say you do it with frequency and regularity, that you can potentially be classified as a trader, then Portugal will tax you. And as you know, in Europe, in Western Europe, the tax rates tend to be quite high. And especially when you compare it to where you are right now in Dubai, where your taxes are zero. So I don't know what your situation is, but that will be what you'd want to keep in mind and consider before you make that move. I'm not telling you don't make the move or do make the move, but what I'm saying is that tax planning is probably necessary. And I'm sure as a prudent investor, maybe you have other asset classes in your portfolio. You may want to speak with an advisor and get some tax planning done. We offer that. We can help you mathematically simulate Portugal tax returns because we have colleagues who are Portugal tax qualified, and use that as a basis for tax planning. Once we see what your present portfolio is across all asset classes, all your income streams, and we can say, okay, this is what it looks like if you did nothing, and this is what we recommend for this, and this, and we can help you potentially mitigate some. But unfortunately, it's probably depending, especially if you have like securities income and stuff like that, it's probably not possible to eliminate everything, but we can probably help you mitigate or reduce it to some extent. So hope that helps.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.